Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Google Board and Keys Cafe on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So Samsung's default keyboard is decent, but switching to Google Board gives you smarter text predictions, emojis, voice typing, and multilingual support. If you combine that with Keys Cafe from Goodlock, you can fully customize your keyboard with layout, themes, and effects. So first, let me show you the Google Board. So here you want to go ahead and open up Play Store. You want to search for Gboard, the Google keyboard. Go ahead and install this and then go ahead and open this. Now here you need to go ahead and enable this in settings. So go into your settings, general management, and keyboard list and default. Here you will find Gboard, enable that. Now here you want to go ahead and select the input method. So you want to go ahead and select Gboard as your main default input method and then tap done. Now here you can go ahead and customize all this. So language, preference, your theme, text orientation, glide typing, voice typing, write in text field, clipboards, dictionary, emojis. So once you have set that up, you can go ahead and open up your keyboard. And as you can see, this is all Google Keyboard. So in Google Keyboard, you have all these different settings: one-handed, text editing, share Gboard, translate, floating, resize, scan, emojis, and undo. At the top here, you have all your emojis and GIFs which you can use. You can go ahead and customize this as well. Now, this is one of the keyboard which you can use, the Gboard. However, if you don't like Gboard and you still want to stick with Samsung keyboard, you can go ahead and jazz your Samsung keyboard with Keys Cafe. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up the Goodlock app. Goodlock app is available on the Samsung Galaxy Store, so go ahead and download it. Now in the Goodlock app, you want to go ahead and scroll down, find Keys Cafe. We'll go ahead and make Samsung keyboard as our default keyboard. Now here in this keyboard here, you'll be able to make your own keyboard and style your own keyboard. So when you say style, you can basically choose all these themes which are available, or you can go ahead and choose your very own theme by creating it yourself. Now here, I'll just go ahead and choose a theme. Next, I can go ahead and choose the effects. So I can apply all these effects on the keyboard. So you have your keyboard color effect, you have your key color effect, and then you have your key motion effect as well. In the next window, you have sound, where you can apply all the sound. And now once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and open up a keyboard and you'll see your created keyboard. So with this, you get smarter, faster, and custom typing experience. It's total personalization of the keyboard look and feel, and it supports multiple languages seamlessly. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on Gboard and Keys Cafe on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.